Hey guys, this is Elery from Port Orient Solar. Today we're going to talk about our installation today here in the city of North Hollywood. So we are installing modules on this roof, also on this roof, and also on this side as well. The orientation is, this is south facing, this is also south facing, and these 1 and 2 are west facing. Check the time right now, it's about 11:10 in the morning, and we can see that the sun is right here at this time. So let's talk about today's installation. So we are on shingles. So it's standard shingle roof, and we use the same footings. We go underneath the shingle, and then we penetrate, and then we seal and caulk, and then the rails go on top. We can see that we have some chalk marks here. These are the measurements that we take prior to making the penetrations. And right here is a flat roof. And for flat surfaces, we use a different footing. And we're using this ChemCurb. This is a roofing product. And this is the silicone that we use, the ChemLink, and that's the silicone that goes around beneath the chem, and it seals the penetration. And we're going to fill this up all the way up to the top to ensure that no water is going to come inside. It's quite interesting. This is my first experience with working on flat and shingle. The same project, as it normally is only flat or all shingles, not both. So we're measuring where the rails are going to be. In this case, they're usually will be 1 or 2 pieces, and this is a whole piece of rail that's uncut, so they would go on top of the brackets of the footing. Then we would install the optimizers and then the wiring before we install the panels. This is what it looks like. So I guess we're like, for instance, for this, you can see that where there's 2 pieces of railing, and we will be connecting those 2 pieces. I'm going to keep this video under 5 minutes so it won't take too long to upload. So I just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys again on the next video.